Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Jane and Alex podcast. We are very happy to have you here today. This is an English listening practice podcast for beginner English learners. Today, we are going to talk about the benefits of walking every day. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with us. Have you ever noticed something interesting? Sometimes when we feel tired, stressed, or unhappy, a short walk can make us feel better. Many people do this every day, but they never think about it. They simply go for a walk, and somehow they come back feeling different. They feel calmer. They feel happier. They feel more awake. Walking is one of the simplest things we can do. It does not cost money. It does not require special skills. Almost everyone can do it. That is why walking is such a powerful habit. Let me tell you about a man named David. David worked in an office all day, every morning. He sat at a desk. He looked at a computer screen for hours. By the afternoon, he often felt tired. His eyes felt tired. His mind felt tired. His body felt tired. One day, during his lunch break, he decided to go for a walk. Go for a walk. That means to leave your home or workplace and walk for a short time. David walked for only 15 minutes. Nothing special happened. But when he returned, he felt more awake. The next day, he did it again. Then again. After a few weeks, walking became part of his daily routine. A routine is something you do regularly. Now, David looks forward to his daily walk. It helps him relax. It helps him clear his mind. Clear your mind means to feel calm and think more clearly. Maybe you have felt this before. Perhaps you were worried about something. Then you went outside. You walked for a while. When you came back, the problem was still there, but your mind felt calmer. Can you relate to this? Many people can. Walking gives us time to slow down. Life is busy. We wake. We work. We study. We answer messages. We worry about many things. Sometimes our minds become too busy. Walking helps us slow down. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Think about your own life. When was the last time you took a walk? Maybe it was yesterday. Maybe it was last week. Maybe it has been a long time. No matter when it was, you can always start again. Let me tell you another story. A woman named Sarah wanted to exercise more. She made a big plan. She wanted to run every day. She wanted to exercise for 1 hour. She wanted to change her life in 1 week. But after a few days, she stopped. The plan was too difficult. She gave up. Give up means to stop trying. Many people give up because they try to do too much, too quickly. A few months later, Sarah tried something different. She started walking. Just 10 minutes a day. That was all. 10 minutes. It felt easy. It felt possible. She continued. 1 week became 2 weeks. 2 weeks became 1 month. Soon, walking became a habit. A habit is something you do regularly without thinking too much about it. Sarah learned an important lesson. Small steps can create big changes. This is true for walking. It is also true for learning English. You do not need to study for 5 hours every day. You can learn a little every day. Small progress is still progress. Walking is also good for your body. When you walk, your muscles move. Your heart works. Your body becomes active. Many people spend too much time sitting. They sit at work. They sit at school. They sit at home. Walking is a simple way to stay active. Stay active means to keep your body moving. You do not need to walk fast. You do not need to walk far. You only need to start. Sometimes people think, I don't have enough time. Maybe you feel the same way. Life can be busy, but often we can find a few minutes. Maybe before breakfast, maybe during lunch, maybe after dinner. A short walk is better than no walk. Another benefit of walking is fresh air. Fresh air can help us feel better. Many people spend most of their day indoors. They are inside homes, offices, or classrooms. Walking outside gives us a chance to get some fresh air. Get some fresh air. This is a very common English phrase. It means spending some time outside. For example, I want to get some fresh air. Let's go outside and get some fresh air. Simple and useful. Walking can also improve your mood. Mood means how you feel. Some days you feel happy. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel stressed. Walking often helps improve your mood. That is one reason many people enjoy evening walks. After a long day, they go outside. They walk slowly. They relax. They leave some of their stress behind. Can you relate to this? Perhaps a walk has helped you feel better before. If it has, you are not alone. Millions of people enjoy walking for this reason. Now, let's talk about something important. You do not need to be perfect. Many people wait for the perfect time. They say, I will start next week, or I will start next month, but the perfect time rarely comes. The best time is often now. Maybe not a long walk, maybe just 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough to begin. Remember, every habit starts with one step. One step becomes 2. 2 steps become 10. 10 steps become a habit. And habits can change our lives. This idea is important for walking. It is also important for English. Every time you listen to English, you improve. Every time you learn a new word, you improve. Every time you practice, you improve. The progress may be small, but it is still progress. Keep going, one step at a time, one walk at a time, one English lesson at a time. You are doing better than you think. Maybe your English is not perfect. That is okay. Maybe you missed some words. That is okay too. You are here. You are listening. You are learning. That matters. Be proud of yourself. Learning a language takes time. Building healthy habits takes time. Walking every day takes time. But every small effort counts. Do not give up. Keep going. Every day is a new chance. A new chance to learn. A new chance to practice. A new chance to take a walk. Before we finish, let's remember a few useful phrases from today's episode. Go for a walk. That means to take a walk. Clear your mind. That means to feel calmer and think more clearly. Give up. That means to stop trying. Stay active. That means to keep your body moving. Get some fresh air. That means to spend some time outside. These are simple phrases, but they are very useful in daily English. Try to notice them when you watch videos or listen to podcasts. Now, I have a question for you. How often do you walk every day? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read it. Great job today. You listened. You practiced. You learned something new. Remember, a little English every day can make a big difference. Thank you for spending time with the Jane and Alex podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English listening practice. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time.